Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to set gifts and stickers in your Instagram story. If you want to set gifts and stickers in your Instagram story, so you just need to follow some steps. First, you have to open an Instagram app, and here you just have to tap the plus icon in the top left corner of the screen. Just tap here, and here you have to select the video or picture you want to set as your story. I'm going to set this one, so just tap on it. And here you have a sticker option in the top corner of the screen. Just tap on it. And here you have a lot of options. You have some GIF, photos, music, and else. You have to tap on GIF. And here you have to select the GIF you want to set on your image. As I'm going to choose this one, so just tap on it. Now you can scroll it, and that's done. Now you have to tap it in your story to set it on your story. Just tap here, and you can see I have successfully uploaded my story with gifts. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.